Hey, hi. So I came with a new topic called AWS Cloud Quest. Uh, it is a special site from the AWS that you can build your skill. So if you want to learn a cloud, AWS cloud, okay. So here you can practice AWS Practitioner certification. So which in a gaming mode. So who are all interested in the gaming side? Yes, you can learn like a gamer, okay, so you can play game and you can learn it. So just quickly get into it. You can search AWS Amazon training, like AWS Cloud Quest. The link will be open to you and go for it. And first you have to subscribe it, okay. So or you have to first sign in and then you can go for subscription. First let me log into it. You can click on this try cloud practitioner for free. Yep, this page will be open for you, and you can see here the course, how it is going to give you the options. So this is the documentation they did. See, they are giving arrows also. They'll guide you how to do this and all. So with this, you can learn very easily Cloud Console, and they'll give you task and free AWS account where you can do practice. Okay, now let's get into it. So first, I would like to enroll it. Sign into the AWS Skill Builder. Here if you're not having a account, you have to create the account, and if you are going with the organization or partner network or employee sign in, you have to fill with these details, okay. So here I'm going with this create or sign in with this. And just give your email address. So I'm giving my email address and it is going to ask authentication. So I'll give emergency DevOps guy, okay. Here it is sends an verification to code to my Gmail. So I have to get into my Gmail to get that code. Yep, I have my code, and just come here. I'll be, so I have to give it 83. So you have to set a password now. Setting up my password. That's it. So just click on accept terms. Wait for it to redirect the page. So you have to fill this information in order to sign up into the page, okay. So I'll just give my information. Okay, so I'll just give the last name as, it's going to take anything, okay. Because you are doing your practice, right, you have to go with your actual details. Okay, so here it is, you can earn the badges, and that badges you can add it to the LinkedIn. I'll just give this information like this, and I'll go directly and I'll continue it. So it is asking Okay, India. Let's continue it. So here it is set up this because the time zone, you can also change it later, or you can also set it now. I'm just telling it as remind me later. And now again, I came back to the same page. Here I have to click on enroll and just start learning now. Yes. Now here it is giving you to start. I just click on start learning now, and then it will be going to give you a role, and it will be give you one lab and one account also to you. So you can see the cloud practitioner. You can read out this all the things, okay, the steps and all. Now just I go and start it now. So it is going to ask me to sign in, loading game. Wait until it load. Yep. Start the game, or you can also join the match. You can invite your friends also here. I'll click on this start game. Yes, next, next, next. Yep. Okay, fine. So I have to click on this. So welcome, you will be introduced to AWS services, and you will build a basic AWS solution. So here they are going to give you some task and some guidance also. You have to do that. Okay, then you will be finish up the level. So each solution you build will solve a business problem in the city, and click the map point to explore and then click OK. I just go and choose this one. Right now, if you can see, we have these many: generative AI solution, solution architect, networking, data analytics, and recently cloud practitioners. So the first click on this, or you can also go for this also. Okay, I'm going for this and click on choose. You can set your avatar. I'm just finding good this avatar already. If you want to change the avatar to play a good game, you can change it out. I'm just going. We will take you a security badge photo when you are done. Okay, fine. That's good. Okay, body options, a male or female, just select the height, head, composition, and thing. I'm just going to save it. Okay, so it is asking my name. So I'll going to give a name here. Okay, is quite minimum 3 characters. So it's a DevOps guy. Okay. Yep. The city is loaded. It's quite interesting, right? Yes. Now the smartphone icon is your new XR device. Smartphone icon. Okay. So here you can see. I'll click on this. It contains assignments from citizens that need your help. Okay. Your first assignment has arrived. Wait. Watch out. Oh, good. Yep. You can use your arrow marks in the keyboard. Okay. Then you can move around the city. So here. If you can do this one, even if you see you can move like this. Use arrow marks in the keyboard. Left is left, up is, and down is like this, and right is like this. Okay, where do you want to go? So here I would like to find the root go. Automatically it will uh, like you came here and click on this. That's it. Now, hello, I'm Mayor Jack. Welcome to the city. It's pleasure to meet you. Fine, okay. The next. Nice to meet you too. I'm happy to join the team. How can I help you? So then we power most of the city technical infrastructure through our data center, but it takes months to procure and configure data center resources. Second thing is the common problem when provisioning your own infrastructure. Can you give me a specific example? Well, for one, so Aslan resident use the city web portal to view current wave size prediction at the beach. Okay, and surfers check for a big waves. For example, a families check for smaller waves for safety. Right. So the servers that deliver these wave size projections give us constant problems. We struggle to keep them up and running. 21 are there. If you want to read them, read, as you will get what is the business idea behind it. Okay, then how the a client come and they'll ask. Okay, this kind of things you will get to know automatically here. Say it is true, yeah, when you're attending AWS interviews, they'll ask this kind of questions only, a very logical way, and to check your strength and your ability to think. Okay, and whenever you're writing the AWS, whenever you're going and applying the jobs in the AWS, before in the interview they'll conduct one exam to you. In that exam, so these are all the questions, actually they'll check your ability. So if you read this one, you'll get a very good knowledge here that could help you a lot. And I'm just directly skipping it. Okay, and I'm going to accept it. So yeah, so great. Can't wait to see the new solution start. So no need to worry even. It's not on your head that you have to create the solution. Yes, here navigations and solution will be there. You will be guided. If you don't know, see this video. What is the solution it is? Done. So now the plan is like this. Our cloud computing essentials, left side you can see, and so migrate an existing website to static website hosting on Amazon S3 to improve reliability. Okay, and city residents, city web portal, and this is the AWS cloud and Amazon S3 and bucket policy. So, this is a solution, basically a basic diagram. Here you can see. Amazon simple storage service can be used to store any type of data and retrieve an amount of data from the anywhere. Okay, so this is just a definition, a direct statement definition, that what is a S3 and what is this solution do. You can go for second plan. Click on skip, and now the third one is you have to do a practice. I'm just directly going for skip it because the video is itself is playing, and I'll skip it. And now we have to go for this one. So here you can see already lab files. Left side you can see important things and steps also how to do. So this is the lab files 0, and when you click on start lab, it will give you one uh, feeder account. Okay, so if you click on this, it will direct you to the see here, open AWS console. It is free, guys. You don't need to worry about it. You're not like, you don't need to have your own account even. Okay, so right click, or you can click on direct open console. It will open a console in new tab for you. Tada, on this one you can see here right side. See, you are now like a IAM user and you have a roles configured already on you. And here you can do your practice. To do the practice, if you don't know how to do, you're a fresher to the AWS cloud, even you don't know, okay, and you want to do a little bit practice at the basic level and you want to get some subject. Yes. And now come back to here and click on this one. Okay, skip. So here, what is this? It is telling steps here. So first rename index.html to wave.html. First thing is bucket name. It is asking a bucket name, and here you have to go to the here and click on S3. What is my bucket name here? Click on the buckets. We have a bucket called website bucket right here, website bucket. Click on this bucket. So this is my bucket name. Okay, so I'm directly going to this one. Let me go to the practice. Here we can find the steps. So here steps is there, right? Click on 1 by 18. Okay, click on the second one. Here you can see it is guiding you with the PPT. Okay, like a documentation. And then say check out here, and then one more arrow. So here open AWS console. Click here, and it is asking you to click the like this S3 and go to this bucket. Yes, we are already into that bucket and text.html. Here it is telling that seventh step that at the top of this image, select highlighted copy and bucket name and then paste the text editor. Okay, choice. And you must see the bucket name in the letter here, section solution and review the object. And okay, so here I have to rename this text.html. You can see the first, second, third, fourth, and fifth numbering here. So what I need to do here, I have to select this and rename it. Okay. So what I need to rename it? I need to be rename it as error.html. Text.html should be a error.html. Okay, I'll come here. I'll select this one, not text.html, and I'll go to actions, rename object. Here I have to name it as error.html. Save changes. Yes, I have saved it. Now what is the next thing? Yes, I have saved. And ninth one is I need to go to permissions. Okay, I'll go to permissions. And here, okay, then block all public access should be off. And then I have to scroll down. Okay, and then I have to see this policy over there. Is it present there or not? Come here. Permissions. Yes, it is off already and I can see the permissions. That's it. Okay, so and properties I have to go. Come here to the properties and you have to come to static website hosting and edit. Come down, static website hosting, edit. Here I need to enable it. Okay, so we need to enable it and then we have to click on hosting type, host static website, and then index.html and error.html. These four steps I need to follow here. Yes, I have already enabled these points and then I have to type index.html and error.html. Save changes. I have saved the changes. Now what it is telling that 15th step is save changes. Okay, and then here you can see this site. Okay, there's a link. If you click on this, it has to show you hours of the day and wavelength. Okay, I'll come here and I'll click on this. Ta-da, it's open. Now you can see it's also moving a wave here. So this is a static website and I did through a documentation which is already providing from my AWS. So this is a free training and free lab even, free account even. You're not paying any single penny to it. You can do practice like this. Okay, here then I'll go for and validate. Could not find wave.html file in the bucket. Check that rename the file as requested in the DI instructions. Okay. Where is wave.html? Let me come from the first. S3 website bucket, and here we need to rename it. Okay, fine. And then we have to name it as error.html. Which one? Error.html. So here it is telling for index document type for website hosting error.index.html. Okay. When I go for DI, it is telling could not find a waves.html file in the bucket. Check that you renamed the file as requested in the DI instructions. Index.html to a wave.html, we need to rename it. Okay. Yes. I'll come here. I'll go to my objects and I'll select this one and I'll rename it. Rename object wave.xml. Save changes. Then I have to come again here. Okay, so if I click on this, it's not found. Then the problem is I have to go to permissions. Yep, you have to come to properties and come down again. We have to edit, and here you have to give it as wave.xml. Okay, save changes. That's it. Now come down, click on this. It's open, you can see. Now I'll go and validate this one. Yes, you did it. Create a static website with an Amazon S3 bucket and rename the index file to a wave.html. Now return to the city and give you your customer the good news. So this is how you can complete the task. If you read well with the documentation, it is very easy, guys. So let's go now. Thanks for providing quick effect and solution. And then you can go for next thing. So go, and now you can select your below things and which one you want to go and do it. Okay, so this is how we can practice here. I hope this is going to be help you guys to do your practice. Please create your AWS skill builder account and do your practice like this. It help you to learn the AWS cloud in a very easy manner. If you love to play the game, many people will play PUBG game, right? It will be look like the same, but you will get the knowledge instead of wasting time keeping the time on the cricket and the games. Just you can also learn some good subject by playing this kind of games to help you for your future and to get the jobs. Okay, so thank you. If you have any doubts and questions, just ping me a comment in the video that I can help you to write the reply. Okay. Thank you all. Do you have anything anyone to ask? Just come on me. If you, I'll read the comment and will reply back to you. Thank you.